Hey guys, so my grill's getting kind of old, and thought I was going to go buy a new one yesterday, but oh my gosh, we went up, I took my son, we went up and checked on the prices at a couple of different places. They're extremely expensive. I was shocked. So what I'm going to do is sand this one down and repaint it, get the rust spots out of it. I've done a little bit of research on high heat paint, so that shouldn't be a problem. And I can show you in a little bit what paint I'm going to use. But the biggest thing I'm going to do is, well, first step is take off all these parts that I don't want to paint. Just go through and take off like the handle. This part, I really can't get it off, so I'm going to tape around it. I like putting the screws back in where I took them out, so I don't lose them, and I know where they go. I like to keep the white, so maybe I run blue tape around it, keep this part, paint everything else. I don't know, I kind of like to keep it as original looking as I can. This old grill has a sticker on it that I want to remove. I don't want to paint over it. I'll just remove it with this. And then paint underneath it. So starting out, I'm going to use a 60 grit sandpaper. Seems to be working pretty good. I got this side sanded down. I need a little bit more to get the rust off of it. But yeah, 60 grit's working pretty good. This part here I found out it's pretty rusted. I was able to get some of it, but the rust sanded out, but it's getting pretty tough, and I also was worried about this. So I'm gonna try a couple of different things. And then I went ahead and got my Dremel that has sandpaper, and I'm gonna try that. That's better. A couple of spots still need it. Degreaser. I'm gonna try it. Maybe it'll help. We'll see. Actually, it may help. Maybe it just looks that way because it's wet. I don't know if the degreaser was a good idea. It did help a little. Got some of that greasy stuff off there. It didn't help much on the rust. Now I'm worried about the paint sticking. So when I wash this with water, I'll clean that area good, but I don't know if I would use the degreaser. The grill is ready to paint. I've sanded everything down, and I did have a little bit of heat resistant paint in the garage. I don't know how old it is, so I'm gonna go get I'm not sure, 2, maybe 3 cans. But in the meantime, I'm gonna use this to touch up some high rust areas I found on the grill. Just to give me 3 coats, at least 3 coats on the real rusty area. For the whole grill, I'll do 1 coat completely, let it dry, and then come back and do a 2nd coat, and it should be good. But for the rust areas, yeah, I'm gonna use this, see how it does. pick up one of these. It makes it really easy, nice to have. I ran up to Home Depot and I got 3 cans of high heat. You can see that. And I think it's going to be enough. I just started and I've got the top of this and I still have about a half a can left, so we'll see if 3 cans is enough. I want to put 2 coats, so we'll see. Finished painting the grill. I've got 2 coats on it and the top of it doesn't look good. It looks okay, I just don't like it a whole lot. This is the paint, the flat black that I use. I'm gonna try this gloss black for the top portion of the grill and see how it looks. I hope I like it. We'll see. Whole lot better, Pam. Well, I'm done with it, and the gloss black, I like the looks of it better. I spray painted the top with the gloss, it does look better. So I put everything back on it, so yeah, it turned out really good.